Howdy folks, I'd like to invite y'all to the 5th annual virtual New Year's Eve party hosted by Sallie Tomato and Sulky. The theme of this year's event will be taking us on a trip out west. This isn't our first rodeo, so you can expect an afternoon full of creativity, camaraderie, and a finished project in your hands by the end of the event. We truly love planning this event each year and beginning a new year with sewing. This is also a great opportunity to sew along with myself and Ellen March. Throughout the night, you'll stand the chance to win amazing door prizes and also virtually hang out with sewing friends from around the world. During this live virtual event, you'll learn tips for installing bag hardware, how to sew a zipper closure, and also learn how to create freestanding lace embroidery as a feature on your bag with a faux leather accent border. The project we'll be making this year is a Western chic inspired pattern hack named Dutton, featuring our Jessica bag pattern. The pattern hack, which is exclusive to our event, includes stunning embroidery accented with a faux leather border. It also includes a stylish strap option embellished with grommets. The show Yellowstone and this year's trend of Western Gothic were the inspiration for this bag. This handbag has a sleek design, zipper top closure, shoulder strap with grommet details, and strap attachment addition. We have complete kits available in 2 colorways, which include the bag supplies, embroidery supplies, and a special goodie bag exclusive for this event. The classic cowgirl kit embraces earthy elegance of rich browns, perfect for a classic Western chic look. The Wild Cherry Chic kit stands out with a bold and stylish combination of cherry red and black faux leather, adding a touch of flair to your project. Now let me introduce you to the talented Ellen March, who is the Director of Content for Sulky of America, where she is going to share some more details about the exclusive embroidery designs created for this event.
Hi everyone, I'm Ellen March, Director of Content for Sulky of America. I've got my cowboy hat on, I'm sporting my denim, so I think I'm ready for our Western chic theme for this year's New Year's Eve sew-along with Sallie Tomato. For the embellishment portion for this year's bag, I'm going to be showing you how to turn these into this. This is our freestanding lace overlay that's going to be part of the Dutton bag that we are creating together on New Year's Eve. When you register for the event, you will have immediate access to the event page, where you will find a video of me taking you through the steps to create this piece. You can either create 1 piece or 2, depending on your desired finished look. And I want to make sure that you have this ready to go and on hand when we start the sew along on New Year's Eve. This piece takes quite a while to stitch out, plus we need to block it and let it dry overnight. So you do need to create this piece ahead of time, and that's why you will have immediate access to a video taking you through all of those steps. On New Year's Eve, I'm also going to show you how to create a little set of freestanding lace charms. You can use these to further enhance your bag. We're so thankful to Designs by Baby Moon for providing these extra special designs for this special event. I think you're going to love the process and fall in love with freestanding lace. I look forward to seeing you there on New Year's Eve.
As you can see, this event is bound to spur your creativity and lasso in some serious fun. So dust off your boots, oil your sewing machine, and pre-order a kit so you can join in on an unforgettable afternoon of stitching and celebration. Register for the event today, linked in the description, and invite all of your pals too. I'll see you on New Year's Eve.